You thought you'd paid your dues. But now, in retirement, you're being taxed again on the same dollars you earned 30 years ago. And most people never see it coming. You worked, you paid in, you did it the right way. But now, instead of coasting into peace and freedom, you're being hit with a second round of taxes on the very benefits that were meant to carry you through your final chapter. It's called double taxed in the golden years. And it's not some conspiracy theory. It's written right into the tax code. Once you cross a certain income line, maybe from a small pension, a part-time job, or even just your spouse's check, the government labels your Social Security as taxable. This means your taxes go up, your refund shrinks, your savings vanish faster than you can restock the fridge. Worse, this setup sends tens of thousands of retirees scrambling for a way to plug the hole. Some cut essentials, fewer groceries, less heat, delay the dentist. Others take on work they'd hoped to leave behind forever, shifts at the hardware store, or standing all day at the pharmacy counter. But there's something else happening, something the IRS knows about, but doesn't advertise. A quiet wave of seniors are starting low effort, home based ventures, not out of passion, not because they want to build a brand, but because it's one of the only ways left to reclaim what the tax code slowly steals. They're creating businesses on paper, legit ones with modest effort and major impact. And through that, they're able to deduct expenses they once paid from their own fixed income, a portion of their home, their phone bill, the gas it takes to see the grandkids. They're not chasing hustle culture. They're adapting to survive a system that penalizes those who followed the rules. You'll hear more about this, and you'll also uncover a truth no one tells older Americans. You're not too old for this. In fact, your life experience might be the single greatest asset you have. If you're retired like me, ask yourself, are you paying taxes on your pension or Social Security? Do you know which income is taxable federally versus by the state? Are you sure your return reflects that? If you're not sure, ask. Review it. You've earned this income and you shouldn't give away more than you must. I'm not a tax professional, but I've lived it, and I'm sharing it because I know I'm not the only one still paying taxes in retirement. Are you curious about how to legally keep more of your Social Security and pension? Comment below with interested if you'd like to learn how a simple side hustle can help with tax benefits and you save thousands in taxes.